you will ever meet.
Come on.
My name is Chicago Streets.
Come on.
I'm the reason there's so many jobs for Chicago police. Trying to get this killing to cease, cause these young brothers making moves out here. Feeling like they ain't got nothing to lose out here. But what right would they choose if I was not here? They say real recognize real what I've been with. And it is a fact. I am a fact. To check my windshield. I done cracked everything from backs to windshields. But fetal, you can do wrong and survive on me. I done seen brothers twice as hard, life get scarred and still died on me. But you want to step all in my face and walk all over me.
Come on.
Put death all in my face and scribble chalk all over me. You think you own me? In reality, I own you. I let you set up your shop, sell your little rocks, get your whole gang to block the claim they belong to, and you wonder why they nicknamed me home. Because I'm that incredible. I done made so many winter storms become unforgettable, even the summers too. How brothers so cold-hearted that come toe tagging, never you then go bragging, wonder who gonna know the show smells. Leave your lifeless body all over my body with nobody to tell, but oh well. Consider yourself told. My streets will take your soul. Don't matter whether you young or old. These poets get words of gold. Come on. Cause these streets tell you freeze. Watch you freeze up. Leave you froze. They that cold. Come on. Where I'm from. The truth hurts and it hurts to be honest. But jail time is like a vacation and death is a promise. Come on. You can only walk around talking crack for a short time. You ever watching My Hood Mama? It only told court time. I know what snitches don't last long. Hard to keep your lights and your gas on. Can't even see what you eat in time, but time still seems to pass on. I know where the police barely want to come around. More people are busting down. Friends I ain't seen since when, but I can't even trust them now. I know where the mailman barely want to run. Visitors barely want to come. Shorty's as young as my son. Packing a gun. But the problem with that, my shorty's only 9. You got little shorties packing 9. Almost had me backpacking 9, but I ain't trying to condone you should be carrying a clone. I'm just saying somehow we better be able to carry our own. Gotta stay protecting our dome, protecting our homes. Get cold slipping where I'm from. 1 second, you gone. Cause I'm from where the good die young. And the young I turn back. Our sweet mothers are forced to divorce and course and turn to dads. Our little kids, they get away with murders behind their own parents' beatings. And brothers be walking around the same throwing forks and they ain't even eat. I'm from where crooks get lost. From where crooks get cops get hated. You do a stealing or killing your lip butt get congratulated. You ain't even graduated. We got more cheese and more TVs and justice. Example where the blocks stay hot through the winter months. But you make it a year, brother, they bring home in a month. But you make it a day, sister, they bring home in an hour. See, where I'm from, they taught me hustling was a hobby. And money is power. Where crack fiends walk around spaced out like they invented Mars. And they made hustling look good to the shorties. They was putting rims on their rented cars. That's what they mean money. Look at you, stash you funny. Got some dying to get paid, others dying over money. Got the richest brother with the poorest children. The sexiest sister with the ugly spirit. Got some people right next door to living clean every time they have a show but scared to come near it. But my job as a poet to make my missions complete is take God's word, mix spoken word, and take my words back to my streets. Thank you.